So first of all, click on Sites right here to create your very simple landing page. And just use this website right here to drive tons of qualified traffic to it. And just like that, I was able to make anywhere between $600 to $900 for the past 3 weeks, with daily sales averaging anywhere between $50 to $170. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up one of the most profitable affiliate marketing strategies that can make you anywhere between $100 up to $900 per week, and you can use it to promote literally any niche out there. Now you can set up this strategy even if you are a complete beginner who never made any money online with affiliate marketing, because I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to do this from beginning to the end, and I'm going to give you one of the most powerful software tools out there that is going to make this method a lot easier. And now just quickly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, comment down below something for the YouTube algorithm, and now just let's get started. Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to be setting up affiliate marketing strategy using HighLevel platform. This is all-in-one sales and marketing platform that is being used mostly by agencies to promote different types of businesses, whether online or real brick and mortar businesses. But many people do not know you can use this awesome platform to create high converting affiliate marketing strategy as well. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you're going to be using HighLevel, you are going to be part of over 20,000 agencies already hosted on it, and this website has already helped to generate over 622 million leads. And today we are going to be tapping into this traffic source. So what you want to do as a first step in this method is go to the first link in the video description, where you can find a link that you can use to sign up for an extended trial of 30 days on HighLevel, which you're not going to find anywhere else. Okay, the standard free trial, as you can see right here, is 14 days to test out this platform. 30-day trial for you, so that's literally double the value you are going to get if you're going to use the first link in the video description. Now once you sign up to HighLevel, what you want to do is log right into your account, and once you log into your HighLevel account, what you want to do first is go to this toolbar and you want to go into sub accounts, because you need to create a agency sub account. Now don't get discouraged by the word agency, because it's a term to describe different businesses. If you're going to be managing different businesses on HighLevel, it's going to be marked as agencies. So what you want to do is create a sub account first, so you can actually move forward with marketing it. Once you create your sub account, what you want to do is switch to it, and it's going to look something like this. Now first of all, right here you can see you get to design everything from automation, marketing, sites, pretty much everything you need to market a business or set up a marketing strategy under one roof. And this is one of the reasons why HighLevel is such a powerful platform, because otherwise you will be using like 3 or 4 different websites to do all of this stuff, and you can find it all on HighLevel in one toolbar. First of all, what you want to do to set up a marketing strategy is have something that you're going to be marketing. For that, what you want to do is go to clickbank.com, because I'm going to show you one of the best converting products right now that you can use to make hundreds of dollars, and that is going to be working for the next couple of weeks too. What you want to do is sign up for your free account on ClickBank, and once you do that, just log right into it. And once you log into your account, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. And once in the affiliate marketplace, you get to choose from different niches that you can promote. Now for today's method, I highly recommend that you follow through and go to health and fitness section, because I'm going to give you one of the best converting products right now that's going to be selling like hotcakes. First of all, you want to click on this diet and weight loss section, and if you're going to filter by gravity high to low, at the top you can see the highest converting product right now. This 21-day smoothie diet is one of the best converting products right now, because summer is like 1 month away, and everybody who has slacked so far on losing weight is going to try to do that as soon as possible, and this diet is based on doing that in the next 21 days. As you can see right here, you will get $29.11 on average for each conversion or for each sale of this product. So pretty much if you sell like 5 of these, you're going to be making $150 per day. So pretty much what you want to do is click on promote to grab your affiliate link. First of all, you need to type in your ClickBank nickname, then just click on create a hop link, and then you just want to copy the affiliate link and paste it somewhere where you will be able to access it later. And for that, I like using this neat little notepad. So I'm just going to paste it in there so I can close this window, then return to HighLevel platform, and now you get to build your landing site. First of all, click on sites, and what you want to do is go up to this toolbar and you want to click on forms and you want to click on builder. Because first, before you even get to start building your site, you need to build an opt-in form that's working independently independently on the site. So pretty much as you can see right here, you're going to start with this empty form right here. So I'm just going to add in there a couple of fields. So first of all, I'm just going to start with this first name, because I want to be able to capture first name of whoever's going to come to my landing site. Then I'm going to capture their email address, and I'm going to show you why this is important in just a couple of seconds. And as a last step, I'm going to add in there this button. Now to customize this button, just simply click on it and go to this toolbar on the left side. And what you want to do here is name it something like Get Access Now. Then I'm also going to go ahead and change the color of this button to, let's say, this bluish, because it looks very nice. And also what I'm going to do is add it to the full width of this form, and also add these rounded corners to make it a little bit more appealing to the eye. Then I'm going to slightly increase the size of the text that's going to be on this button, and I'm also going to add there a subtext that's going to say, start the 21-day smoothie diet now. This is pretty much how you want your form to look like, where you basically collect the first name and the email address, and that's pretty much it. What you want to do then is just pretty much click on Save Form, and now you get to build your landing site. Click on Site one more time, then just click on Create New Funnel right here, and now you get to go two ways. You can go to this template library, where you can choose from a number of high quality templates that you can use to promote anything and everything depending on the niche that you're going to be in. For example, if you're going to be promoting your business, if you are a business owner, just go ahead and choose from one of these niches that you see right here on the left side, or you can also go ahead and filter by the type of the website that you want to build. You can go, for example, with lead capture, marketing, newsletter, free resources, event, contest, pretty much anything that you want your website to look like, you can find in these templates. Or you can pretty much just go completely from scratch, build your site from scratch using very easy drag and drop editor, which I'm going to show you how to do that right now. First of all, go ahead and name your funnel something like 21-day smoothie diet, click on create a funnel, then just click on add new step, go ahead and name the site something. For example, again we can go with 21-day smoothie diet, just like that. Then just click on create funnel step, and then just create from blank. And as you can see, you can start building completely from scratch if you want to design your website literally from zero. First of all, what you want to do is click on how wide you want your site to be. Let's go with full width for this one, because I want to be able to display this site on all types of devices. And what I like to do is design my landing pages in 3 steps. First of all, I'm going to add a text button right here. So I'm just going to click on add row, 1 column, add element, and now I'm going to select headline. And for the headline, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to ClickBank, go to the sales page of the product, and I'm going to pretty much recreate this page on HighLevel. So to do that, I'm just going to copy this title, paste it onto my website, then above it I'm going to add another element, and this time I'm going to be adding an image. Now to get an image for this, what you want to do is just pretty much screenshot this part right here that says smoothie diet, and then just upload it to HighLevel. Then I'm going to customize this a little bit. I'm going to be moving this text a little bit up, for example using these sliders on the left side in the toolbar to make it look something like this, for example. Then just go back to the sales page, and I'm going to play this video for a couple of seconds. You want to capture part of this video that's going to be showing something enticing, something to do with the diet, and I'm just going to screenshot the part of the video. Then go back to HighLevel, and I'm going to add another section, and this time I'm going to add 2 columns. On this left side, what I'm going to do is add an image of the video, like this, for example, and on this right side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my opt-in form. To do that, just click on forms right here, and what you want to do is choose a form that you have created in the form section before, and now I'm going to customize this a little bit more. So I'm just going to increase the size of this text using this slider on the left side, and I'm going to underscore it just like that. Then add another section right below this opt-in form, just make it full width, add 1 column, and add a text box in there like this, for example, and now I'm going to type in there something like this: enter your best email to get access to the 21-day smoothie diet. Then what you want to do is click on this opt-in form button, and you want to make sure that in this button action on the left side, you are going to select go to website URL. In this website URL, you want to simply paste your affiliate link that you have gotten from ClickBank, and that's pretty much how you create a simple landing site on HighLevel. Now for the sake of not making this video too long, I'm just going to go with this simple landing site, but if you are a fan of more fancy design landing sites, just go ahead and customize it however you want to, because you've got literally so many options how to design the landing site on HighLevel level, but what you cannot forget in today's world, in this day and age, is customize it for mobile. If you're going to switch to mobile view right here, you will see how this is going to look on mobile, and you want to customize it as well. For example, let's make this a little bit smaller, just like that. Make it a little bit more compact. Okay, and this is pretty much how it's going to look like on mobile. Then just go to this top right corner and you want to click on save, and you can also click on preview to see how it's going to look like. So this is pretty much how it's going to look like, and if you're going to check this out, you can see that every time somebody's going to input their details in there, for example name and their email, just like that, click on get access, they will submit their details and they will be taken to the sales page immediately. Now this sales page is going to be doing the selling process for you. All you need to do is just drive the most amount of traffic through your opt-in page onto the sales page. And the entire reason why we created the opt-in form is that if you go to HighLevel platform, you can see right here I was able to capture the email address of traffic from my opt-in page. Once you start capturing these email addresses, what you can do is go to this automation option on HighLevel platform, and you can create an automated email sequence that's going to be emailing your audience in the next couple of days, and that way you can increase your chance of making a sale because you will keep reminding them of the product. What you want to do to simply create an automation sequence is just add a workflow trigger, and for that what you want to do is go to the search bar and type in there contact created, click on a save trigger, and then you want to click on this plus button, and you can see that you can add multiple communication options if you're going to be capturing different leads on HighLevel and start messaging them via DMs on Instagram, messengers, simple text messages, and first and foremost emails. Click on send email, and pretty much what you want to do here is just design an email sequence that's going to be messaging them, reminding them about the product. And to do that, you want to go to ClickBank and go to the affiliate page of the product. And if you're going to click on get affiliate tools here, you will get access to all these resources that you can use to set up an automated sequence. For example, if you're going to download these email swipes, you can see right here you will get this 3-day email sequence that you can set up in just a couple of minutes by copying and pasting it pretty much very easily. So I'm just going to copy this, paste it into the subject line, then just go to paste it into the subject line, then just copy the body of this email just like that, paste it into the body of the email, and also you will have to add your name and your email address. Then what you want to do in the body of this email, you want to pretty much select this part where it says it's called smoothie diet. You want to click on the links, and you want to replace this generic URL with your affiliate link. That way every time somebody is going to come to the sales page through your affiliate link and they make a purchase, you will be paid your commission. Once you're finished designing this email, just click on save action, and pretty much what you want to do now is just click on this plus button one more time, and you want to search for wait. Add wait action in there, and what you want to do is select time delay of 1 day, just like that. Then just click on save action, and you want to add another email from the affiliate page email swipes. That way whoever's going to come to this landing page is going to leave their email address, and you can start emailing them different weight loss products, and once they are going to submit their email, they will be taken to the sales page. The last part, what you need to do to make sure that you're going to get the most amount of relevant traffic, is to start sharing this page. Now to do that, what you want to do is just copy its link, and one of the best targeted traffic sources that you can use for this weight loss diet is if you're going to go to Google, you want to search for Facebook ads. Hit search, and what you want to do is go to this Meta Ad Center, and if you have a Facebook account, you will be able to launch your very own ad campaign. To do that, simply just click on create a new campaign, and what you want to do here is select traffic, just click on continue, then you get to name it something, for example like 21-day smoothie diet, just like that. And it's very important, you are not going to be creating a very aggressive campaign. You cannot be making any claims in this campaign, you cannot be promising any specific results. All you want to do here is just point to the fact that this 21-day smoothie diet can help you lose weight before summer. So once you name it something, what you want to do is scroll all the way down here and click on continue. Then make sure you're going to select website, because you want to drive traffic to your website. And right here you get to select the type of the traffic that you will be getting. If you want to maximize the number of clicks that you're going to get to your landing site, you want to click on this bottom option right here. But if you want more quality targeted traffic, you want to select this top option right here, which is not going to get you that much clicks, but they will be of higher quality. So decide which option you want to go with. Then just scroll down here and you want to select how much you want to spend per day running this campaign. What I'm doing myself when I'm launching a new campaign is just I'm starting with a couple of dollars per day, and in this case it's euros because I live in Europe, I don't live in US currently, and 5 euros, that's like $6 or $7, I'm not sure what's the exchange rate right now, but on average I will be spending 5 euros per day on ad campaigns. Then you want to select when you want to start your campaign, and I'm just going to start it tomorrow at 10 AM and I'm going to be running it for 2 weeks, just like that. Then you want to select a location where this ad is going to be running, and for that you want to select United States, so you will be getting just top tier 1 traffic to your landing site. Once you do that, just scroll down here, you want to select the age group to who you want to promote this, and so I'm just going to select anybody between the age of 20 up to age of 55, for example, and that's pretty much it for this part. Then just click on next right here, and you get to create the body of the ad. To do that, what you want to do is go to the affiliate page one more time, and you want to download this banner and product images. And once you upload the image from the affiliate page, what you want to do is go ahead and create the headline and the body of the email. For that, you can use something from the 3-day email sequence. Just go ahead and copy this short part from the text and go ahead and paste it into the body of the email, and for the headline you can use something from the image as well. And then the important part, what you cannot forget when doing this, is scroll all the way down here, and in this destination you want to click on a website and you want to paste the link to your website into this field, just like that, because that way every time somebody's going to click on this ad and want to see what's this weird shake is about, they will be taken to this landing site where they can see what this 21-day smoothie diet is all about. All you have to do then is just go ahead and publish the campaign, start running it for a couple of days, which will be getting you clicks to your landing site, which will be getting you contacts in your contact list, which will be getting you contacts in your contact list that you can start messaging later, and that way you can replicate these same results just as well. So this is how you can set up a very effective affiliate marketing strategy, guys. Now just go ahead and check out the first link in the video description, sign up for HighLevel platform and set it up for yourself. Now if you don't want to be trying this method, what you can do is also go ahead and sign up for the extended 30-day trial of HighLevel, which you're not going to get anywhere else. And once you do that and you log into your account, what you can do is try one of these 2 different methods that are using HighLevel platform too. So just choose which one you want to see first, and I'm going to see you there.